Good morning, students. Welcome back to our online classes of English Language Standard 5th. Students, we are studying topic gender. We have seen definition of gender and we have seen the types of gender. And after that, we have solved the exercise or question answers given below the lesson. Okay? Now, students, we are going to solve question number C. Okay, that is given in your textbook. Now what is that? Rewrite the sentences by changing the gender of the underlined words. Change the pronouns accordingly. मतलब क्या है कि तुमको क्या करना है? Rewrite the sentence. Sentence तुमको फिर से लिखना है. By changing the gender. क्या करके? Gender change करके. ऑफ द अंडरलाइन वर्ड्स. जो भी वर्ड्स को अंडरलाइन किया गया है उसका जेंडर तुमको चेंज करके लिखना है. चेंज द प्रोनाउंस अकॉर्डिंगली. और जरूरत पड़ने पर तुमको प्रोनाउंस में भी चेंज करना होगा. सो नाउ सी द फर्स्ट वन. द ड्रेक्स swam towards the the ducks swam towards the drake. Now once again I am reading this sentence. The ducks swam towards the drakes. This is our sentence. Now students, first and foremost thing that you have to do, that you have to identify the gender first. Now duck is feminine. Duck is feminine gender. Okay? And drakes is masculine gender. Okay? So you have to change the gender of the underlined words. तो यहाँ पर duck को underline किया गया है. Which word is underlined here? Duck. And duck is the feminine gender. It means that you have to change the gender of this duck. duck अगर ये feminine gender है तो उसका masculine gender क्या होगा? Drake. क्या होगा? Drakes. तो you have to write down like this. The drakes swam towards the ducks. The drakes swam towards the ducks. यहाँ पर हमने duck का किया drake और यहाँ पर drake का किया ducks. Okay? So have you understood how we have made the necessary changes in this sentence? Now see sentence number 2. That is, our hostess for the evening was Auntie Gurmeet. Hostess मतलब जो प्रोग्राम अरेंज करने वाले हैं, ऑर्गेनाइज करने वाले होते हैं, उनको बोलते हैं होस्ट. तो हमारी होस्ट कौन है? तो आज की इवनिंग की आंटी गुरमीत है. नाउ सी द अंडरलाइन वर्ड्स. द वर्ड इज अंडरलाइन हियर इज होस्टेस. विच वर्ड इज अंडरलाइन हियर? होस्टेस. तो तुमको होस्टेस ये जो है ये फेमिनाइन जेंडर है. कौन सा जेंडर है? फेमिनाइन जेंडर. तो फेमिनाइन का तुमको करना होगा मस्कुलाइन. क्या करना होगा? मस्कुलाइन. यू हैव टू चेंज दिस फेमिनाइन जेंडर इनटू मस्कुलाइन जेंडर. सो इट द सेंटेंस विल बी लाइक दिस. आवर होस्ट फॉर द इवनिंग वाज. अभी यहाँ पर आंटी गुरमीत दिया है तो हम क्या करेंगे? अंकल गुरमीत. So our sentence will be like this. Our host for the evening was Uncle Gurmeet. Okay? So is this clear to you? Now see the third one. The lion is the king of the jungle. The lion. Lion ये क्या है? Masculine gender है. तो उसका feminine क्या होगा? Lioness. The lioness is the king का क्या होगा? Queen. The lioness is the queen of the jungle. Okay? So have you understood how we have changed the underlined words? Means we have changed masculine into feminine and feminine into masculine. Okay? Is this clear to you students? Now let's move forward. Now students see sentence number 4. The priest asked the tailor to take his measurement. Now students pay attention carefully. See the words that are underlined here. Priest and his. Now, the priest is the masculine gender. Okay? So, you have to make the feminine gender of the priest. The priestess. What it will be? Priestess. 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 The priestess asked the tailor to take. Now, his is the pronoun that we use for male. So we have to use here, we have to turn this into her. Okay, because we are talking about the priestess. Here we have made it priestess. Priestess asked the tailor to take her measurement. Okay, so like this. You have to underline these words. Okay. Now see sentence number 5. The emperor punished the man who was a murderer. Okay. Here you have to underline this word man. Okay, yes, correct. The emperor punished the man who was a murderer. Okay. So, emperor is the masculine gender. Emperor is the masculine gender. And you have to turn this masculine gender into feminine gender. So, feminine of emperor is the empress. So, you have to write here empress. The empress punished here the word that is underlined is man. So we have to write here woman. Okay, underline this. The empress punished the woman who was a murderer. Like this. Okay. Now see the next one. The shepherd tended to his rams and cows and protected them from the vixen. Now, we have to change the gender of the shepherd. Shepherd is the masculine. Okay. So, we have to write here the shepherdess. What we will write here? Shepherdess. 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 Tended to his. Here we will have to change her. Shepherdess tended to. Now students see the sentence number 6. The shepherd tended to his rams and cows and protected them from the vixen. Now shepherd is the masculine gender. So we have to change here that masculine gender into feminine gender. Shepherd, shepherdess. Shepherdess tended to, it is his given here. So we have to change it into her. Now see this word ram. What is the meaning of ram? Ram means male sheep. What is the meaning of ram? That is male sheep. So the shepherdess tended to her. So we have to make feminine gender of ram. Ram का feminine gender है ewes. Okay. So we have written here ewes. And cows. काउस का यहाँ पर क्या होगा? यहाँ पर काउ ये जो है फेमिनाइन जेंडर है, तो यहाँ पर उसका मस्कुलाइन जेंडर हमको बनाना है. तो काउ का फेमिनाइन जेंडर मस्कुलाइन जेंडर है बुल. ओके. Ewes and bulls and protected them from the vixen. Okay. Like this. Now sentence up to now, have you understood students? Let's move toward sentence number 7. Now students see the 7th one. The monks said their prayers and retired for the night. Now monk is the masculine gender, okay, and you have to make feminine gender of that. So the nuns, the nun is the feminine gender for the monk. The nuns said their prayers and retired for the night. Okay. So like this. Now 8-1, the hunter chased the stag and the tiger. So hunter is the masculine gender and you have to make it feminine. The huntress. What is the feminine gender of hunter? Huntress. The huntress chased the stag and the tigress. Tiger का feminine gender क्या है? Tigress. Okay? I forgot to underline this. You have to underline these words also. Okay? Now see 9th one. The heir to the British throne is the eldest prince. So, this word, look at this word carefully, H-E-I-R. But you have to pronounce it as heir. The heir to the British throne is the eldest prince. Now, what is the feminine gender for heir? That is the heiress. Okay? Heiress. You have to pronounce it as heiress. The heiress to the British throne is the eldest. प्रिंस का होगा प्रिंसेस. ओके, प्रिंस का क्या होगा? प्रिंसेस. सो दिस इज द 9th वन. नाउ ओनली वन सेंटेंस इज रिमेनिंग, दैट इज 10th. सो लेट्स मूव टुवर्ड द 10th सेंटेंस. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स सी सेंटेंस नंबर 10. The stepson told the man servant to take him to the wizard. Okay, so here the word that is underlined is stepson. Stepson is the masculine gender. You have to turn it into the feminine gender. Stepson का feminine क्या होगा? The stepdaughter. The stepdaughter told the woman. यहाँ पर दिया है man servant. Man servant का तुमको क्या करना है? Woman servant. क्या करना है? Woman servant. So the stepdaughter told the woman servant to take her. Him का क्या होगा? Her to the wizard. Wizard is the masculine gender. You have to make it feminine. That is witch. Okay. So this is clear to you, students. I hope you have understood it very well. Okay. So only one question is remaining and that is question number D. So let's start. Now students see question number D. Use neuter and common genders. See first page. Okay. So first one is check the dash dash and fix the date for wedding. So check the calendar. So we have to write here calendar. Calendar. Okay. And fix the date for wedding. Now see the second sentence. My dash dash love our family. Okay. So here, stop correctly. So students see, my cousin love our family. Okay. So here we will write cousin. My cousin love our family. Okay. Then yes. So third one is the dash dash taught the lesson so well that everyone understood it. The master. So what we will write here? The master. The master taught the lesson so well that everyone understood it. Okay. Now see, next one is, let us go to the dash dash for dinner, dance and enjoy ourselves. Let's go to the club. So we will write here club. Let's go to the club for the dinner, dance and enjoy. And fifth one, the proverb says, a dash dash indeed is a dash dash indeed. So this is a very well known proverb that you Know it very well. A friend, here we will write friend. In need is a friend indeed. Both the side we have to write down only one word, that is friend. Okay. Now students, see question number D. Use neuter and common genders, and for that you have to see page first. Okay. Now first sentence is check the dash dash. So here we have to write down calendar. Check the calendar and fix the date for wedding. Okay. Now see the second one. My dash dash love our family. So my cousin love our family. Third one is the dash dash taught the lesson so well that everyone understood it. So what is the fill in the blanks? Master. You have to write there master. The master taught the lesson so well that everyone understood it. And fourth one is let us go to the dash dash for the dinner. So what we have to write here? Club. Let us go to the club for the dinner, dance and enjoy ourselves. Okay. And last one is the proverb. The proverb says a dash dash in need is a dash dash in need. So this is a very well known proverb. You know, a friend in need is a friend indeed. Okay. So I would like to stop here students. Here we have completed our third lesson, that is noun gender. Okay. And I hope that each and everything you have understood it very well, and in future you will have no problem in this lesson. Okay. So I would like to stop here students, and I just want to tell you that question number C you have to write down in your notebook, and question number D, this you have to write in your textbook. Okay. So question number C that we have solved already, you have to copy it and you have to write down in your notebook. That is your home assignment. Okay. So I would like to stop here students. But till then you have to keep learning, keep smiling, and here wishing you a good day ahead. Thank you so much. Bye bye.